After 5 years, the next generation of Apple AirTag is finally here, and today we are going to have a detailed review of it. So we will talk about its design, features, hardware specs, and all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. The Apple AirTag 2 comes in either pack of 1 or pack of 4. The one we got here is a 4-pack retail box. As you can see, it got a picture of 4 AirTags. So here we got 4 Apple AirTag 2 placed in their individual slots. We also got some instruction on how to use and activate the Apple AirTag 2 with your iPhone, and we got a warranty card safety guide booklet as well. Now talking about the design and build quality, the Apple AirTag 2 is exactly same in terms of appearance like the first generation of AirTag. The only difference you will find is that the text on the shiny side are mostly all uppercase, while they were lowercase in the first generation of AirTag. The dimension and size is exactly same as well. It weighs just 12 grams and comes with IP67 water and dust resistance. The good thing about having the exact same design, shape and size like the first generation AirTag is that if you got any accessories that you were using with the first generation of AirTag, you will be able to use them with the AirTag 2 as well. But the bad part is that still the AirTag 2 does not come with any kind of hole or loop, and you will have to buy some accessories, cases, etc. to attach your AirTag 2 trackers to your keys or any other item. Talking about the hardware and the performance, the new Apple AirTag 2 comes with the second generation of ultra-wideband chip that improves the performance and the precision finding range up to 50% more compared to first generation of AirTag. With the AirTag 2 in the line of sight, the precision finding was able to detect it from 50 meters. That's really impressive. And when I was not in the straight line of sight with multiple obstacles between me and the tracker, it was still able to detect it from 24 meters. And the precision finding was also pretty accurate in guiding me turn by turn, angle by angle to locate and bring me to my AirTag 2 tracker. So the range and accuracy of the precision finding on Apple AirTag 2 is increased a lot compared to the first generation AirTag. The internal speaker on the AirTag 2 is also improved compared to the first generation AirTag, and it is way more louder and comes with a high pitch tone that helps in finding and locating your AirTag 2 very easily. When it comes to battery, the Apple AirTag 2 is still using the CR2032 coin cell battery that is pretty common among the item trackers. And even though Apple officially does not provide the information that how long the battery life is going to be, you can expect at least around an year of battery life with one single CR2032 battery. Talking about the software side, the initial setup process is pretty simple. All you have to do is just bring your brand new AirTag 2 close to your iPhone, and then it will detect that there is a new AirTag available and whether you would like to connect it with your iCloud account. If you do not want to go through this way, then you can launch the Find My application. Then you can tap on the plus icon and look for an AirTag. It will detect your AirTag. After that, you can just give it a name from the predefined list of the names available, or you can go with the custom name to have a unique identifiable name for your AirTag 2. You can also choose an emoji for your AirTag 2, and then you can just link it with your Apple account. Once the AirTag is linked with your account, it will show the last known location of your AirTag 2 in the Find My application, and you will also get many different options and settings to use with your AirTag 2. You can tap on play sound to play the chime on the speaker of AirTag 2 to locate it. You can tap on the find option to initiate the precision finding to get a step-by-step direction to your AirTag 2. You can also share the AirTag with any person of your preference and choice. And then you got other options like lost AirTag section, where you can put your contact information in the AirTag 2, and if it is lost and somebody finds it, then they can get that information to get in touch with you to return your item with your AirTag. Another interesting option is the share item location that allows you to share the last known location of your AirTag and the item attached to it with an airline or any of the trusted person. It works up to 7 days and you can revoke the access anytime you want. And then you get the option to notify you on your smartphone if you leave your keys or any item that is attached to your Apple AirTag 2 if you leave them behind. And it also gives you the option to add any exception for this feature. Another new feature that AirTag 2 brings is the ability to access the precision finding directly on your Apple Watch. It works with the Apple Watch Series 9 or later or the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or later. So if you're planning to buy a Bluetooth item tracker, then the Apple AirTag 2 is one of the best options for you if you are already in the Apple ecosystem. It comes with many new features and enhancements compared to the first generation, while the pricing is exactly same like the first generation of the AirTag. The speaker is louder, the precision finding accuracy is improved a lot, as well as the precision finding range, and now you can use it to track your items and AirTag 2 on your Apple Watches as well. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.